All right, day 14 of the February Follies, and it's St. Valentine's Day. I hope you find some love today. Okay. Galaxy pour. Today, for our galaxy pour, I've decided to go a little different. Usually I'm using blues and greens and purples and things. Today, I have a different color palette. So we're going to start off with a mix of Amsterdam Titanium White and Chroma Curl White. And PBO Iridescent Precious Gold. A little more white. This is Nick Pro Iridescent Brown. And Liquitex Basics Naples Yellow Hue. A little gold. A little white. This is Golden Benzomidazolone Burnt Orange. She kind of thick. Arteza Pearl Amaranth Red. I have never used that one. A little more white. Actually, I'm going to go gold. White. Gold. White. And back through our colors. Okay. Move this back here. I'm going to pour myself a little puddle of this PBO gold. Move that around just a little bit. Let's fix this. Okay. I'm going to give this a torch. I just mixed up most of those colors. I mixed up the red, iridescent brown, gold, benzomidazolone burnt orange, and the Naples yellow. So, gonna use this black, I guess, because I have it.
to the house, then I hit her to the sky. Change haters on a tirade. Talking to their grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips.
All right, let us do the thing.
From the bit, take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror. Yeah. Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas in me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
Wet results. I think this is kind of neat. I like these little cells that are popping up. That's a big field of that iridescent brown, which I'm kind of glad is there because I want to see what this stuff looks like when it's dry. Here are our fingerlings, all made of gold, and that benzomidazolone burnt orange. Yes, and that's the sort of pale color you see is the amaranth burnt red, or amaranth red. That's it, pearl. I'm anxious to see what that looks like too. I'm anxious to see what the whole thing looks like. Actually, I know y'all are too. Sorry, I cannot paint and get wet results and dry results in the same day. Just doesn't work out. This time I decided to go ahead and leave the middle. I liked it better than I liked the other one. I just think this is overall a very earthy, pretty painting. I hope it dries well. I'm glad I got rid of that big white swath. Kind of wish I could have done something with that one too, but that's just a cloud in the universe, baby. Okay, let's go sparkly hunting. Okay, you can really see that sparkle of that pearl amaranth red right there. Sometimes a really good place to catch them is right on the corner. And then we've got the gold and all the things. This gold, I like it. It's a little more subtle than the Deco Art or the Nick Pro. And that's sort of what I wanted in this painting. I didn't want it to be glary, glitzy. But it does sparkle. Just not quite as blatantly. But yeah, we've got some neat stuff. I'm trying to get up here to this brown. I'm dying to see if it sparkles. It does, it does. Ooh, it does, it does. Yes, that's really pretty. These colors look great in the bottle. So far, I have had not a lot of luck with them, but I'm going to say that that's probably just me trying to figure them out. I've decided, to use them as a group in a painting together is not the answer. We got a couple of black cells that have popped through. Not too many, though. I'm all right with that. But look at these. These are just so pretty. Got the little flame tips on them. Nice. I think this is going to dry really well. I certainly hope so, because I really do like it. I like that corner. I know some of y'all aren't fond of bikini corners, and when you got a square canvas and you're not spinning, it can be just kind of hard to mitigate those. So yeah, there we go. Kind of neat. Thanks so much for coming along with me today. I sure do appreciate it. If you could, and if you haven't, could you hit that subscribe button? Doesn't cost you a thing. It means the world to me. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I always do. And again, don't forget about my Feral Art Facebook page. If you're over there, give me a follow. I'm going to be putting some reels and stuff up. I'm really trying to grow it because it's been static for way too long. So thanks a lot, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.